Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can make a veil in Dress to Impress without VIP. So sorry I'm bald, like you do need the hair for the veil. So this is the hair combo that I'm going to be using first before I put on the veil. We're going to use this one. You can use any color hair you want to, and then I'm just going to layer on some more hair here, some bangs as well. Cover that up, and then I'm going to also use, sorry, let me just go back to hairstyles here. I'm also going to use this hair, if I can just find it, this one in blonde, and then I'm going to add on this one as well. Actually, I might not add this on. I might add on that one. And for the veil, we are going to use this one. I know it's like not convenient, but like it's the only hair that looks kind of like a veil. You can like add like a bow behind it if you would like to, maybe to cover some of that up. So I might just do that with the one that we have here. But if that doesn't cover that much up, I don't think you should. Like, I guess not really. But yeah, that is how you can create a non-VIP veil on Dress to Impress. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.